Still, some people aren't necessarily sold yet on receiving the vaccine. Joining me now live over Zoom to talk about all of this is Dr. Lisa Issac. Doctor, thank you for taking the time for us on this Friday night.
It's nice to be here.
Two vaccines that we're talking about, both expected to ship soon, and everyone's wondering, are the vaccines safe? What do you think?
I think there's been a lot of work done to check for the safety of the vaccine, and I think they're as safe as we can reasonably expect at this point. Whether there are long-term effects from the vaccine, we haven't had a chance to find that out yet. But certainly, they have the efficacy, and the coronavirus is here. We need the vaccine.
What concerns are you and other doctors hearing from your patients right about now about this vaccine?
Well, just worried about the safety of it because it came about so fast, and because, let's face it, it was mired in a whole lot of political trappings, and just being mistrustful of how it came about. That plus wondering if it can make them sick, if it can give them, coronavirus.
Right.
The same kind of fears as for all vaccines.
You're a doctor with a lot of experience, and we were talking in the commercial break, and you say you even have questions that you would like to have answered about it. What are some of those questions?
Well, just we can't see into the future. Just are there going to be any long-term effects that come about that we don't know about yet because we haven't had time to see how it affects people. But other than that, I mean, there has not been any reports of major side effects other than the couple allergic reactions in Britain. So it seems like it's a pretty safe vaccine.
We reported earlier this week experts warning about low COVID vaccine trust among minorities, including Black Americans here in Pittsburgh. Why do you think that is? There's
low trust for vaccines and other things like that in Black and brown communities because of historical things that have happened in the past, like with the Tuskegee experiments, and just because there's mistrust sometimes of the whole healthcare system as a whole in those communities. So they worry about the vaccines. They particularly worry about something that's new and unknown.
Dr. Issac, thank you for taking the time tonight to share this information with us. We appreciate it.
All right, everybody get those flu shots. I got to get that in there.
You got it in. Thanks for your
time.
Got it in.